Why not be the one who lights people up? What about being the person who brings the sunshine into the room? Hi, I'm Sandra Zimmer. No matter who you are or what you do, you can be the person who lights up other people. I recently had an encounter with someone who I saw light people up. Everyone that he talked to lit up while he gave them his attention. Now, you might guess that this person was a leader, maybe ran a company, was a teacher or a minister. But guess again, he was a barista at a local Starbucks. So I was on my way to a wallpaper store, and I decided to stop for a decaf latte on the way. And so I went in and I ordered my coffee, and then I stood in line to get my drink, and there were 3 people in front of me. Behind the coffee making machine was this young man, maybe 30, 32. He looked up over the machine right straight into my eyes, and our eyes connected for maybe a second or 2 seconds. And I absolutely lit up at the connection. You know, this kind of connection where people really see each other doesn't happen all that often. I felt my heart jump for joy just in this little bit of connection. And then he turned his attention back to the other people who were in line in front of me. And I watched in awe as he lit up every single person in line. He gave each person his attention. He focused all of his attention, his energy, and his delight on each person. And I watched as each person responded to him as though he had turned on a switch inside them. I was impressed. I want to be that person who lights people up with a word, a smile. Don't you? So what was he doing? He was making a commitment to pay attention to people, to put his focus of attention on each person one at a time. And he was choosing to see the beauty in each person, to on some level acknowledge each person so that they were lit up from inside simply by this little bit of attention that he gave them. So I worked my way up to the line, and now I was at the front of the line. He picked up the cup of coffee, or the cup that had my name on it, looked at it and said, "Sandra," as though he had been waiting for me to arrive all day. Well, I was overwhelmed at this point. I'm really not sure that I knew what to say, and so I just kind of teased him. I said, "You're having way too much fun here." And he said, "Why not? This is a wonderful place. All these beautiful people coming in here. It's an exciting place. Why not be excited?" Well, I left, and the energy that he sparked in me lasted for several hours, maybe even into that evening. And I wondered as I left, why didn't I acknowledge him back? If I have the chance to do it again, if I ever see him again, I'm going to acknowledge him for the gift that I saw him giving everyone. His little bit of attention and his intention to care about people, to spark them, was quite a gift. And I really took a lesson from that. What is it that we have to give up in order to be the one who lights people up? Well, I think we have to give up so much focus on ourselves, on our own problems and issues. We have to give up worrying about what other people think and whether they like us or not. And we have to focus our intention on liking them, on being there to give them some kind of a gift, just of a little bit of attention. We have to not worry about what they're going to think about us. And we have to let go of holding ourselves small, thinking that we have to be in some kind of position of importance to impact people. We don't. All we have to do is give people a little bit of attention and acknowledgement and acceptance and watch them light up. So that's my commitment for this week and hopefully for a longer period of time. What about you? If a barista can light people up, maybe hundreds of people a day, simply by handing them a cup of coffee, what can you do? What kind of commitment can you make to light people up in your life? Think about it and maybe drop me an email. Let me know what you're doing to light people up. Thanks.